Okay, here's the procedure for using Sitemakin on your own local Xamp server. Okay, so got some directions here in the documentation. It can be found at the website, that URL. Anyways, we download HTTP track for Windows, and we find that here. We download it, the usual Windows thing, and then we open cloner.php and change the code to the following working example. So initially it came with something like this, and now we're going to change it to this. So let's open that file up, and there it is. So we've added this line here, and I've commented out the old one right there, because that was for Linux, this is for Windows. Okay, so we save that. Let's go back to our documentation. By default, HTTP track installs to program files. That white space between program and files on Windows will cause issues. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to program files where it installed, and we're going to move that folder into this documents AAA folder. So go to program files, copy that, and then we go to AAA, and then we just moved it right here. It's a very small folder. Okay, so once we do that, okay, now we can actually get going here. Okay, first things first is you might want to be aware of is that when you're cloning a website, it could take 15, 20 seconds, 30, 40 seconds. So in that case, you could get a timeout error. So what we do here is we go to the php.ini file, which is located at Xamp php.ini. And what I did here is I took the default 30 seconds and made it 120. So it's 2 minutes, but you can even set it longer than that. Okay, so we did that, and okay, now we restart Apache. So with Xamp, you just basically stop it and start it, and you're good to go. Now let's watch it in action. Okay, so we're in our Sitemakin here. We go to clone tool. Let's go to massageinvancouver.ca and let's clone it. As you can see up here, it's connecting. So what's actually happening is that it's excuse me, it's running the program right now. So it's clone is in progress. So we'll just wait here for a bit here until it's done. Okay, that was quick. So let's go to the clones here, and there it is, Massage in Vancouver. Hit it again, and let's just see how well it cloned. Let's open a page like services. Open with let's go with Chrome. Okay, there it goes. So it cloned the CSS, the images, everything went over fine. So now what we're going to want to do is let's go here and open that services file up. Let's copy all that code. We can go back to Sitemakin here. We're going to add a page. We're just going to plop it all in there. We'll call this one test. We'll call it test, and we'll submit it. So if we want to edit the page, we have test here. If you want to edit the whole thing with a CK editor, we click that. Now we can go in here and change it. How about we change it to body works? So we'll add an S there. Submit that. Let's go to another browser, and let's go to test.php. There it is. That quickly, you just cloned a website, and you have it in a CMS in no time at all.